Hello there everybody and welcome back. I'm Daniel, still believes geometers should be called professional anglers, Valvo. And today we're becoming amateur anglers ourselves because we got a great catch. Angles. Let's do it. Angles are formed by two rays with a common endpoint. We can use degrees to measure the size of an angle. So let's say both my arms here are rays with a common endpoint right down here, meaning they form an angle. Right now you can see this angle is pretty sharp. We can't fit that many degrees between both my arm rays. So we say the measure of the angle is small, or close to 0. But as the angle between my arm rays gets wider and wider, we can fit more degrees in, so the measure of the angle goes up and up. So a wider angle means the measure is higher, and a sharper angle means the measure is smaller. Now there are three very famous angles.